I'm gonna drive. I was in the car.
Okay, slow down. So you ready to talk?
Yeah, I'm gonna tell everything.
Okay, we're gonna talk here in a minute.
Got him patted down good.
Yeah. He got his phones and condoms in his pocket.
I didn't know that car was stolen.
Where were you sitting in the car?
On the passenger seat.
You were sitting in the passenger seat?
Yeah.
Okay. What made you run?
Because I saw all them run. And man, he tossed he tossed me the keys before I left, and I ran. That's it.
Once I got my new phone today,
okay,
which I left my old phone in my car when he stole the car.
Right.
I synced everything from my old phone to the new.
Okay, and what'd you see when you synced it?
He must have made a video of himself,
all right,
which is the exact same guy that he had.
Hey, he's actually wearing the same shirt. That's the same gentleman that we have in custody. All right, right now at this point, you're going to be charged with possession of a stolen vehicle.
Oh.
He hands over a demand note. Almost immediately, the security screen is activated, and he runs off. But he too has trouble differentiating between push and pull. He thinks the door is locked, but it isn't. Eventually, he gives up and resigns himself to waiting inside the building society for the police to arrive. But within seconds, his luck changes. An unsuspecting customer walks into the building society. The robber, realizing his mistake, seizes on this unexpected opportunity and runs off. He's still not been caught.
Hello, ma'am? Ma'am? Ma'am?
The car's in drive with her foot on it. I don't want her to roll.
Ma'am, put your car in park. Ask her, I think she's single one, just took off southbound. You were sleeping in the car. Are you okay?
I was not sleeping in the car.
I was banging on your window.
Sunshine and whiskey.
I was banging on your window?
No, you weren't.
And then you took off.
To sunshine and whiskey.
I'm going to ask you one more time.
I have a nursing license. I am not drunk.
The legal limit in the state of Florida is a .08, so you are nearly twice the legal limit. The 2 beers at 5 o'clock doesn't quite add up.
Well, a convicted criminal didn't get far when he tried to stash drugs in the ceiling of an interrogation room at a police department headquarters in Omaha, Nebraska. Jailhouse video shows that man putting a chair on the table and then climbing on top of it. Did he not think they were recording this? Officers catch him in the act, thinking he was trying to escape. At first, they didn't see the drugs fall down to the floor, but another officer came in to clean the room and found the cocaine.
Police in Ferndale, Michigan say this may be the face of one of the world's dumbest criminals. He dons a Darth Vader mask and holds up a get-and-go convenience store. He tries to put the mask on backwards, eventually getting it on right. He threatens the clerk with a butcher knife and makes off with an undisclosed amount of cash. But it seems he didn't join the dark side soon enough, because the robber doesn't put on the mask until after he walks into the store. His face was caught on several security cameras. Police released the images and got a bunch of tips. They soon caught up with the Star Wars bandit, and he was arrested without incident and without a lightsaber. Noel Waghorn, The Associated.
Hey, take it easy.
No. Hey!
We put our blood and sweat into our businesses, and then for somebody to just be so brazen to walk into our business and think they can take what we literally work our whole life for, you're taking away our livelihood.